Great. How to tighten your brakes. What you do is stick it out. Okay. Thickness there. And this knob here, just tighten it. And that's it. It's an easy job. That's on every website of every bike shop I know. If it's too tight, just take it out again and release it just a bit. That's it. Oh, it's too much. This doesn't make it. Just gotta force it back in. That's one, that's two, and that's one. Compressed, and that's one thing, and the other thing is they can handle the heat of expansion and contraction. At a different temperature they'll change the tightness. Okay, so that's good. If you want to align it, you have to use the brake caliper. Accelerate and pull the brake. Oh, it wasn't moving because this isn't moving freely. These have to be released first, and then they can move around. Acceleration, pull the lever, and just keep the lever pressed and tighten them in position. This way the disc will not rub on the brake pad. That's all there is. Let's try to do it. There's hardly any sound. The brake is fine. You want to further tighten it? You can do it from here. So if you're doing it counterclockwise, this will tighten it. So let's see. Yeah, I think that's tight enough. Let's try it. Yeah. There's no rubbing. We can tighten it further. Better. And then to further tighten this, you can do this. This is already pulled quite a bit. You see about 5 millimeters. We're going to pull it out 5 more millimeters and tighten it in position. This tenses up the cable so that when you're pulling on this, there's no slack. See, there's no slack. If I pull 5 millimeters from here, I need to see some movement here. So you see, as soon as I pull it, and then if I pull it all the way to the max, you see the travel there is really low, which means your brakes will be really tight. That's it. Brakes quite tight. You can tighten it further, but as you tighten it, this cable shortens. And the travel that's necessary to brake shortens as well, and that's not good. You have to open it up again from here and from here, and tighten the distance between the calipers again. I think you should tighten them until they're flush to the brake disc, and then as you put it back on, just release this a bit. Use this to release it a bit back. So yeah, so these are adjustments on the go as you ride the bike. You know, every week or every, I don't know, 200 kilometers, you have to open this up and shrink the distance between the brake calipers. If you have the electric brake on, you almost don't need these brake calipers. I'll show you how to turn on the electric brake. It's by going to mode and go to PA. PA is on 1, so your electric brake is almost nothing. If you put this on 5, you will see a huge difference in the braking power.